Want to get wildly good at video with no more tech than your finger and a phone? Great, because today I want to share the 5 C's for video success, and that is up next. Hi, it's Tracy with videoscriptsuccess.com, where I help you take your brilliant but scattered ideas and turn them into engaging videos that convert. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get the tools, the tricks, and the tips that you'll need to make great online videos. Today we're going to talk about the 5 C's of video success, and I'm not going to make you wait for it. Let's jump right in. The first one is clarity. Clarity of what? Well, you know what? I need you to be clear about a couple different things. The first is your audience. Who are you talking to? You better be super clear about who is on the other side of that little blinking dot, right? If you don't know who you're talking to, your audience will definitely not know that you are talking to them. So it is really important to get crystal clear on who you're talking to. The other thing I want you to have clarity around are your video goals, right? Why are you making the videos? Do you have a strategy for making the videos? There should be a reason for the videos. Otherwise, you're just making video vomit. And if you follow me, you know that that is a no-no. It is my mission to rid the internet of video vomit. So please get some clarity on your audience and your video goals. C number 2 is connection. Listen, video is the best way, other than one-on-one, to connect with your audience. You are talking and you have the ability to reach a lot of people. And in order to connect, you have to be, wait for it, human. Have a conversation. Okay, video should be a conversation, not a dissertation or a solicitation. So you need to get to know your audience. How do you do that? Well, as I mentioned, be human. Use gestures. Have a conversation. Talk conversationally. Video is also a close-up medium, right? You wouldn't have a conversation with someone from 5 feet away. That would be weird. Please don't be weird. Have a conversation with your video audience. Come on in even a little bit closer. You want to have a conversation with the person on the other end. You know that person from one that you got clarity on? Yeah, have a conversation with them so you can make a genuine connection. Okay, and the third C is consistency, right? You're building a relationship, so you have to keep showing up. You're nurturing your audience, right? So whether you're going into their inbox, you're making a little micro video and sending it by email, maybe you're going on Facebook Live once a week, once a month, whatever you can commit to, but be consistent. Maybe you're going to release a YouTube video every week. Hey guys, I'm here. I'm going to be releasing a video every week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell. Does that sound familiar? Right, because I'm going to be showing up here every week consistently. So it's really important for you to keep showing up so people get to know you. The 4th C is confidence. Listen, I don't have an easy button for this one, right? You have to practice in order to get good at video. The more you do it, the better you're going to get at it, right? So in order to have that camera confidence, you just have to keep doing it over and over and over again. You're going to get so good at it that people are going to be like, wow, she seems super confident on camera. And you will, because you will have practiced many, many, many times. Listen, anytime that I go live or do a YouTube video or do a little micro video, I practice no less than 10 times before I hit record. And then I mess up and I do it some more. So you're just going to get better at it the more you do it. So practice, practice, practice so you can have confidence on camera. Now let's move on to the 5th C. And the 5th C is a call to action, or CTA. Yes, tell people to do something at the end of your video. And you should not just be stopping and thanking them at the end, because that would be lame. And if you missed my video last week on thanking your audience and why you should never do that, make sure you catch that video next, okay? So I want you to think bigger than that. You're getting to know your audience, and then give them something to do. I don't mean sell them something. They don't even have to download anything, but send them somewhere else helpful. You're nurturing them. You're helping them. You're adding value to their lives. They're waiting for you to give them something to do, so do it. Have them download something. Send them to another video, like, one on where you should never thank your audience at the end. Instead, you should have a really strong CTA. I think I've banged you over the head on this, but yes, so our fifth C is a CTA, a call to action. Make sure that you keep nurturing them along and give them something to do. Okay, let's recap. We have clarity, connection, consistency, confidence, and your CTA. And your CTA is to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so you can get all the tips, tricks, and tools so you can start making great online videos. Okay, I'll see you next week. And don't forget to check out that thank you video and why you should never say thank you to your audience on video. See you next week.